This is the Real Estate Investment Deal Analyzer app. No spreadsheet skills needed. You open one file in any browser, type a deal in, and it tells you whether it's worth buying. Cap rate, cash on cash, DSCR, cash flow, the whole picture, graded against your own targets. It even has a dark mode and saves your work automatically. Let me walk you through it with a real sample deal. The dashboard is where you start and finish. Up top, the verdict, strong buy. Below it, every metric that matters, each graded against the targets you set. Cap rate, 8.55%, passes. Cash on cash, 7.6, just under your 8% target, so it's flagged for review. DSCR 1.43, monthly cash flow $595. The 1% rule at 1.16, all green. 4 of 5 targets met, and on the right, the same property run as a BRRRR and as a flip, so you can compare strategies at a glance. This is the engine. If you're using the BRRRR strategy, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. This section does the math that trips most investors up. Flipping instead? Enter the after repair value, and the 70% rule sets your maximum allowable offer. Here, $190,000. Your purchase at $189,000 comes in just under it. Add the rehab, holding costs, financing, and the selling costs, and the app lands on a net profit of $58,800, a 23% return on your cash, or 46% annualized over a 6-month hold. If the numbers don't clear your target, it tells you to pass. Cash flow is today, wealth is the long game. This section projects 30 years out, rent growing, expenses growing, the property appreciating, and the loan paying down. When you're weighing several properties, drop up to 5 of them onto the comparison tab. Each one is scored on cap rate, cash on cash, DSCR, and cash flow against your targets, then ranked, and the best buy is highlighted for you. Here, the Maple Avenue duplex wins on cash, so you know where to put your offer first. And that's the tour. Set your rates and targets once. Enter a property on the rental section and read the verdict on your dashboard. Then test it as a BRRRR or a flip and stack it against your other deals. 7 interactive sections in all. It runs in any